Good evening, everyone. It is February 3rd, 2017. We are doing 2016-17 Leaf Ultimate Hockey one box break. This is number 7. If you're watching on YouTube and you're not listening to what I'm saying, this says 8, but it's number 7. Like I said, Nick is helping me out as these breaks are selling quickly within minutes and seconds. He's posting a new one, so every time I refresh my page, I'm like a couple breaks ahead already. So this is number 7, guys. This is a random hit number 7. So like it says right here in the description, it says we open up the box, then randomize the hits and the names. Whatever card matches up with your name is the card you'll get. Each box contains 6 autographs or memorabilia cards. So after I open up the box, I'm going to go to random.org, roll the dice. Here's a list of names. Bowman got 1, Trev got 2, Alan got 1, Jason K got 1, and Greg got 1. Then once I open up the box, I'm going to write in the hits. Then we'll randomize the names and hits, and then we'll see what it matches up to. So, guys, this is from my fresh case. You can see this is Ultimate Hockey, 96 of 125. So I only made 125 cases of this. So what I'm going to do is open up this box. Let me flip these around. Still stay the same. Alright, guys, so there's the 6 boxes. Now let me number these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Horrible 5 and a 6. So there it is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You guys can see that, right? Yeah, horrible number, horrible writing, but still. Alright, so I'm going to use this true random number generator. Right here. There are 6 boxes, so whichever box number is generated is the box we're doing. So good luck. 6, we are doing box 6. 6 is generated. So let's put these right here. This is the box we're doing. These are going to be for future breaks. Alright. Alright, guys, this is Leaf Ultimate Hockey. We're doing box 6. Like I said, I'm going to pull out all the hits. Then I am going to match them up with the names with the randomizer. Oh, is that right, Trev? Hello, Mrs. B. Alright. So, first 3 right here. Like I said, guys, I'm not familiar with the old school names. So, like I said, correct me if I'm wrong, make fun of me. Do what you like. I'm just going to pull big hits. Alright, guys. Good luck. Here's another one of those ultimate quads. That's Alexander Ovechkin, Pavel Bure, Sergei Fedorov, and Alexander McGillney. 6 of 9. All right, next one. So they only made so many cases of these guys, so you're going to keep on seeing these reoccurring ones. But look at this. Ultimate Quad. That is a gold. We've seen these, and that is a 1 of 1. Chelios, Rob Blake, Nick Lidstrom, and Chris Pronger. That is a 1 of 1. Next one. Oh, wow. Look at this. Ultimate Signatures. Mr. Hockey, Gordie Howe, 1 of 2. Ooh, man, everybody's going to want this, right? Even if it doesn't sound for in crazy value, but I would love to have this. Gordie Howe. Mr. Hockey, 1 of 2. Ultimate Signatures. All right, that's 3 hits. Let's get the other 3 hits going. Yeah, I know, right? That would go right into my PC as well if I was able to get that hit. All right, guys, next 3 hits. Next one. Ultimate Signatures. That is Yvonne Cornier. 5 of 10.
So, whatever you guys want to do, hey, I'm up for it. My voice may not be willing, but the body is willing. The hands still work. So, if you want to break, I'm into it.
Nice.
So, it's Friday night. Let's do it.
All right. Next one.
That I do have to talk about, though, is that Super Bowl squares. That's the final break of Super Bowl squares.
That is Ultimate Signature Memorabilia. That is 1 of 5. Steve Shutt. One of 5. And the last hit.
There you go, folks. That's the final break for Super Bowl squares.
Ooh, this is nice. Another 1 of 1. Ultimate Quad Prime.
I want to give away money. We don't set up
Jeez.
to not give away money.
What is this? All the Islanders?
We just wouldn't do the phone.
Pop Van Smith. Bossy. Abor. Jeez. 1 of 1. Oh my. That's 2 1 of 1s and a Mr. Hockey. Jeez. Oh man. What a break.
That's probably going to be like a 2.5 hour break. That has to fill by like around now. At the latest.
Insanity, guys. Like I said, this is great stuff. And like I said, it's not too expensive. The price point is pretty good, and you're guaranteed to get a hit. You're guaranteed to get a hit. All right, guys. So these are the 6 hits.
I'll be right back. Get your spots, get into it. Yeah, Andrew's CO Turtles 3D is
Right here.
a 10-box mixer. That's something we can do too. That's not very expensive at all.
Yeah, I would. My voice. Oh man, look at that, Gordie Howe. 1 of 1 there. This is even nice to just have too. All right, guys. So I'm gonna pause the video really quick, guys. If you're watching on YouTube, it's just gonna quickly within seconds. So I'm gonna pause the video. Type in these hits, and then I'll come back and we'll do the randomizer to see who gets what. So stick around, guys. Welcome back, everyone. Just finished up the list. So once again, here are the cards. I just put these in the random.org randomizer, the list randomizer. Gordie Howe. Let's see who ends up with that. 2 1 of 1s in here. So let's switch scenes. Let's go to random.org. So I'm going to roll the dice to see how many times you randomize the list of hits and the names. Here, once again, here's the list of names. Bowman, Trev twice, Alan Murdoch once, Jason K one, and Greg once. And here the list of hits. The Ultimate Quad, Ovechkin, Bure, Fedorov, McGillney, 6 of 9. Ultimate Quad, Chelios, Blake, Lidstrom, Pronger, 1 of 1. Ultimate Signatures, Gordie Howe, 1 of 2. Ultimate Signatures, Yvonne Cornier, 5 of 10. Ultimate Signatures Memorabilia, Steve Shutt, 1 of 5. And the Ultimate Quad Prime, 1 of 1. Of Boer, Bot Van Smith, and Bossy. So, let's roll the dice. A 2 and a 6. That is 8 times. 8 times on the names first. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 8th and final time. Good luck. Alright, so that's 8 times, and that was an 8, right? Yes. So, Alan, you're at the top. Trev, you're at the bottom. Now, let's randomize 8 times the hits. Here they are. Good luck, everyone. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 8th and final time, good luck. 8 times, and it wasn't 8. It's got the ultimate quad at the top. So, Alan, you get the ultimate quad. Chelios, Blake, Lidstrom, Pronger, 1/1. Greg with the quad Ovechkin, Bure, Fedorov, McGillney, 6/9. Jason K with the ultimate signatures. Gordie Howe, 1/2.
Nice.
Ultimate signatures memorabilia. Steve Shutt, 1/5 for Trev. Bowman with the quad Prime, Abors, Pop Van Smith, and Bossy, 1/1. And Trev with the signatures. Yvan Cornier, 5/10. So, that was it, folks. That was number 7. Number 8 is coming up. That is a personal for Trev. And then number 9 is sold out, and I think number 10 is about to be sold out. So, if you guys want to get into these, get in there quick. JaspysHockeyLand.com. I'm Jason, and I'll see you guys next time.